Okay, I'm Marita Guevara. I'm from Aishwarya Foundation. My role today is to get the feedback from participants in our biotech trainers workshop. Here we have Christopher Schwartz.
Yes.
Christopher, tell me, what are the key ideas that you wanted to share with us during these 3 days?
I think that was really a good opportunity to share ideas, concepts, and methods from biology, from urban ecology, with colleagues from architecture and economics, and with other colleagues and partners from the private companies. We need really time to share those ideas, to work together, and to make 1 + 1 + 1 = 6, for example.
Okay, now here we have with us Christian Ramel from VU. Christian, what did you learn during these days about biotech? And what do you want to transfer to your students during this 1-year program?
What I learned from myself is the big difference between pollution and contamination, and about the complexity of the soil, and there's not easy solutions are not out there. And I learned the much stronger need to have a common language and understanding, just that we all have the project in mind and we all share the similar issues, so we have a common knowledge base to further develop.
Okay, here we have Aishwarya, who comes from VU too. Tell me, Aishwarya, what did you learn? What do you think that is important to tell the students that are be part of this 1-year program?
Firstly, I think it's amazing of all the different kinds of, the depth of the work that the UL actually engages in, but also what is really interesting are the different challenges that the different institutions in the city face, even in a small city.
Mm.
And I think that is something that the students really have to understand when they are trying to innovate and try to engage and embed themselves in a city.
Okay, here we have Clare, which is one of our company partners. The company name is Econic. Clare, could you share with us a little bit what you tell us during yesterday, actually, when we went to Econic? Please go ahead.
I think that the local and international knowledge, which is transferred to students, is a good opportunity to develop the build for bioeconomy projects.
Okay, here we have Mariolene. She's another company partner. The company name is Plant E. Please, Mariolene, could you tell me what do you learn? What do you think that is important to transfer to students that will be part of this 1-year program?
Well, I'm hoping that we can add to this program like the real life experience of having a startup, starting a startup, and like that's part of what we're hoping to bring here. And what we learn is like how the educational programs nowadays like deliver on that type of skills and stuff that students need to know if they want to do something else than proceeding a career in science, for example.
And now we have Apolline with us. She's part of the University of Lorraine team. Apolline, what did you share with us during these 2 days?
So I shared a lot of things actually. I talk about complexity of nature, and I think it's the best difficulty to think about, because you have to think about human and nature and try to find some project and common project. But I think it's possible. We just have to know the nature and what the nature needs, and thanks to this, it will be helpful to construct good project.
Okay, and Katherine, she was part of our trainers here in this biotech workshop. Could you remind me, what do you share with us?
Yes, of course. So I share with everybody all I do in phytomanagement of contaminated sites and derelict lands. And I hope that the use of plants will help to develop new technologies for the cities, and that plants will be better used and developed in all the cities. Yes.
Okay, and then finally we have Kiera Farinea from Institute of Advanced Architecture in Catalonia. Kiera, What did you learn during these 3 days in Nancy?
I learned a basic concept that it's the mobility of nutrients and pollutants through the different ecosystems, and I think that it is a very important concept that we will need to transfer to architecture students in order to make better projects.
Thank you, Kiera. Thanks. Okay, bye.